Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Firina Priya Pratama. NIM 2021051040. Dear Sir Richard and colleagues that I love. On this occasion, I will talk about the environmental conservation. Per- Perhaps this is closely related to environmental conservation. Next, energy is basic need. We already recognize that during today it is undeniable that all activity carried out by current residents are highly depend on the availability of energy. In almost all sectors of activity, energy is non-negotiable basic need. Therefore, the progress of a country will be closely related to the adequacy of the availability of manpower in the country. Call it development country together with the USA, Japan, and different country, even Korea. The availability of electricity in this nation may be very okay carry spots in various fields that may be trust for the development of the nation and country. But in the preservation of energy of the nation and country, but in the preservation of energy of mass creation, the environmental sustainability conservation factors. Next, global warming impact. The impact of environmental damage such as global warming is now starting to be felt in various parts of the world, such as the increase in air temperature, rising sea levels, which can down small island and land around the coast. Climate change, which is now happening is several places include this country. All of that because the environment where human and outer living things have been polluted. Even according to reliable sources, the velocity of the hurricane that actually hit one part of the American mainland was predicted by experts as the effect of global warming. Another threat that is no less dangerous for human life is said rain. In Indonesia itself, entering the year 2006, there have been hurricanes in several waters which have resulted in flooding in the area around the coast for days. As a result, fishermen cannot go down the sea look for fish. So they experience periods of famine, not the mission heavy rainfall causes to minimum and the consequences will also harm living include us. Next, the biggest the biggest the biggest contribution to overall environmental damage is the pollution. The biggest contribution to overall environmental damage is the pollution caused by the massive burning fossil fuels such as coal, fuel oil, and natural gas. The burning result in the greenhouse gas emission as a causes of global warming. Environmental problems are indeed not a matter of one country alone, but have become the responsibility of entire nation and state. Therefore, various efforts have been made by people to prevent further damage to environment, such as holding the Earth Summit Kyoto Protocol is even some countries that still use fossil fuels are trying to reduce the greenhouse effects by using natural gas, which is economically very competitive when compared to the use of oil or coal. In fact, natural gas still produces CO2, but less when compared to the use oil and coal. In addition, natural gas also produced methane during the supply process, always can cause environmental damage. Next, the burning of fossil fuels such as oil and coal on a large scale is carried out by people for the purpose of generating electricity in industrialization and transportation, especially for power generation fuel. In fact, the use of fossil fuels can be reduced as little as possible because there are modern technology that use non-fossil fuels that are more efficient, productive, safe, and do not cause pollution. Besides, the price fossil fuels such as oil tends to continue to increase. The supply also very limited. Next, therefore, let's us together protect the environment, preserve it, never demand and pollutes the environment, our school environment, our home, especially the environment around us, because all around there may be stored a lot energy that can be utilized by us in various aspects of this life. What Wherever is clean water, clean air, medical plants, aids. If our environment is damaged, then little by little the energy will be lost and even exit. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.